In this video, I'm going to show you guys the top 2 real estate CRM that made us over $343,000 in our first year as brand new real estate agents in a brand new market.
So we're in our back office in our Track ROI. This is our first system that we're going to be talking about in terms of our CRMs. This is our pipeline for the new construction funnel, and it goes down from real estate agent all the way down to close. Now, depending on how the lead comes in and whether we talk to them, prospect them, and depending on what they said, we move them down the pipeline and until they get to under contract and then close. This is how we organize everything so it doesn't get so confusing and everything is in the right category.
Okay, so we're here in the automation section of our Track ROI. As you can see here, automatically right when the leads comes in, you see that they get emailed, they get text messages. After that, an hour later, they also get another text message. And then an hour later after that, it gets also another text message. And then an hour later after that, they also get text messages. So all of these text messages and email sequences all automated, and it's there to engage with the lead so then they can respond to us. Once they respond to us, then these automatic messages stop, sending out messages, and then we have to take control of the lead.
So this is what you're gonna see in real life. Once the lead gets emailed and texted, scrolling down, we're going to see that we text them and then we're gonna leave them a voicemail, we call them, and then we're gonna text them again, and an hour later, they're gonna keep getting texts until they respond. And once they respond, then we manually text them because the system just stops texting them automatically. From there, we prospect them and then see if we're a good fit. Another thing that's good about this system is that we have our task section, our notes, and appointment section on the right side. On the notes is where we take all the notes that they said to us that we talked to them about, so then we get this into history, so when we need to look back, we can actually view the notes very quickly and know exactly what was happening in the previous months.
So here's an example of what we use for a Track ROI marketing department. We connected our social media site like Facebook, Instagram. We also connected with Google business page and also LinkedIn. So you can create a scheduled post and upload it, and it will be posted once you set a time. For example, we created a post right here and it looks something like this in our LinkedIn account. Here's another example of us posting on our Instagram account. And then here's an example of us posting it in our Facebook business account. So really, it's an all-in-one marketing tool. We schedule the post for our audience to see, and it's all automated, so then we don't have to worry about our social media platform. So we're still in the marketing tab. So as you can see here, we just got done with the social planner. Now we're in the email templates and email campaign. Here's an example of what we sent out to our database. So as you can see here, this is an example of we sending out an email blast to our database, letting them know, hey, these new constructions are on sale. There's a deal going on right now. Reach out to us if you're interested in learning about these new construction homes that are on sale right now. There's incentive programs out there. This is what we do to send our database all of the properties that are on sale, that is on the market, that is available. It's easier for us to communicate to our audience through email and let them know. So right here, we are in the funnel school section, and in the funnel school section, it walks you step by steps on how to craft an offer and how to build a funnel with that offer. So as you can see here, this funnel is an offer for new construction. This funnel right here is an offer for acreage property if somebody's interested in acreage property. This funnel right here, which is the cash offer funnel, is somebody who's interested in selling their property for cash. All right, we tried all of these funnels. They all work tremendously well. The new construction funnel is where it all begins. Woods, he walks you guys step by step on how to set these funnels. He will go through strategy, implementations, and how to optimize your message, which is your offer. He'll actually walk you guys step by steps on how to create a funnel that converting into sales. Text messages, emails, and voice messages, and also daily IDX emails in terms of the property home search. Funnel is a way for you to build relationship automatically with your database, with your buyers and your seller leads, without you having to be there physically to build that relationship. Okay, he's gonna walk you step by step. All these video and tutorial is gonna show you exactly how how to get there. That is an example of the funnel school. Here's an example of the cash offer funnel. He's gonna walk you step by step on how to build a cash offer, how to implement a instant offer. One of our favorite resources, which is the Inner Circle training. In the Inner Circle training, you'll get access to the digital president library of all the content that you need in order for you to be successful. One of our favorite is the Ultimate Script Book, Get Money Now campaign, the Ultimate Guide, Facebook Marketing Blueprint, Funnel Friday interviews, also teaching you guys about internet marketing and everything that you need to learn in order for you to be successful internet marketer. We've taken some of these courses already, like Get Money Now campaign. It'll teach you how to host open houses, how to do door hanging, free leads from Facebook Marketplace. It really teaches you how to make money now. New constructions, building your brand. All these videos are content that can help you grow your business quickly.
All right, guys, we are in our second CRM, which is KV Core in the marketing tab. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff in the marketing section that you can utilize. But the main one that we use is our Smart Campaign, which is that automates our texts, our emails, our search alert, sends them properties every single day. The behavioral automation, which communicates to the lead and tells us when we need to follow up with them.
So we are in the Smart Campaign section where we set up our drip campaign where it texts, emails, and also it gives us a reminder to follow up with the lead. So we put our buyer in a 7-day campaign. We put them in a new lead nurture, a 1-year nurture campaign. We put them as an active buyer campaign, and then we put them into a new lead campaign. One of the things that we use, right, is default new lead buyer campaign. This is what the system does, right? It automatically texts the lead. For example, it immediately asks them, hey, what line of work are they in? It send them an email. Hey, are you ready to chat over the phone? A day later, it send them another text. Another day later, it send them a text asking them how many bedroom, price range, area, do they have a realtor? So everything that you need as a real estate agent to prospect a lead, we automate our text messages with KV Core on top of our Attract ROI. So here's an example of our search alert for our client. Right when the leads comes in, they automatically get set on a search alert. So we hashtag them buyer/buyers, and it's a general search that we set up for a database. They get searched for in the Fresno, Madera area, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, $300,000 and up. These search alerts get sent to our database daily. And here is an example of what the search alert looks like. Give you guys the address, search alert properties today, and then they'll give you 4 or 5 different search alerts every single day that's fitting that criteria. So the point of all of this is for us to add value and make the client search a lot easier. The point of this is that it let our database know that, hey, we're here. If you like any property, let us know. And the beautiful thing about this is that once they click on this, it will let us know that they clicked on it. So here's the behavior alert automation. There's certain things when a lead does in our system, it automatically texts them, it automatically notify us that, hey, this lead is hot. So for example, if the lead revisit our site after 14 days, it automatically texts them. If the lead revisit our site and they look at our property like 5 times within the last week, it texts them. It notifies us when the lead look at a certain property. It notifies us when a lead look at a property 3 times. So this way we know that a lead is hot and we call them and we schedule the appointment with them. So here's an example of our Smart CRM dashboard. One of the things that we like most about this is that it helps us organize the lead. What is a new lead? What is a prospect? What is an active lead? What's beautiful about the dashboard is the fact that we can see how many leads we have, how many property that's under contract, the task that needs to be done, all the tasks that is due. Do we need to follow up with a certain leads? Do we need to call a certain lead? It gives us an idea of what to manage, what, and who to call and how to follow up with this lead. Really, it keeps us organized. And that is why we use 2 systems, KV Core and Attract ROI.
All right, guys. So if you're curious what to do next, then you need to go to partnerwithfam.com. If you guys need any help with your CRMs or you want to try our CRMs, our KV Core or Attract ROI, give us a call. And before you do schedule the call, all we ask you is to go to our webinar and watch how we went from 0 to making $343,000 in less than 365 days by focusing on Facebook ads, YouTube, Instagram in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in our real estate business. Even if you're a new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all without doing any open house, door knocking, or cold calling, go to partnerwithfam.com and we'll be happy to help you.